Welcome to our channel. If you want to earn yield through decentralized finance, follow these step-by-step instructions to start generating returns using DeFi protocols. Step 1. Set up a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet that allows you to interact directly with DeFi protocols. Step 2. Purchase some Ethereum or another supported blockchain native token to pay for transaction fees when interacting with DeFi protocols. Step 3. Research reputable DeFi platforms such as Aave, Compound, Curve, or Yearn Finance based on security audits, total value locked, and community reputation. Step 4. Connect your wallet to your chosen DeFi platform by clicking Connect Wallet and approving the connection request through your wallet interface. Step 5. Choose a yield-generating strategy such as lending your assets, providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges, or depositing into yield optimizers. Step 6. Approve the smart contract to access your tokens by signing the transaction in your wallet. This is a one-time setup for each token. Step 7. Deposit your cryptocurrency into the selected protocol and confirm the transaction. Pay the required gas fees to complete the deposit on the blockchain. Step 8. Monitor your positions regularly and harvest rewards periodically. Consider compound your yields by reinvesting earned tokens back into yield-generating positions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.